In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use Microsoft Copilot in Teams. If you're new to Copilot, think of it as your AI assistant inside Microsoft Teams. It helps you stay on top of conversations, summarize what's happened, and even answer questions based on what's being discussed. To get started, the first thing you need is the right license. Copilot features depend on your organization's subscription, so make sure your company plan includes Copilot in Teams. If you're not sure, check with your IT admin or whoever manages licenses at your organization so you don't run into access issues later. Once your license is in place, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop or in the browser. Look at the left side of the app and click the three dots, the ellipsis icon. This opens the app launcher. In the search bar, type Copilot. When you see Microsoft Copilot in the results, open it and then pin it so it stays handy on your sidebar. Pinning means you won't have to search for it each time. You can jump straight in whenever you need help summarizing chats, drafting messages, or exploring information connected to your team's content. Now let's talk about using Copilot during meetings, which is where it really shines. Before Copilot can provide real-time summaries and answer questions about the meeting, you need to start transcription. Transcription creates the live text record Copilot relies on to understand what's being said. In a meeting, open the More Options menu in the meeting controls and choose Start Transcription. Everyone in the meeting will be notified that transcription has begun, which is important for transparency and compliance. If your organization has guidance about recording or transcription, follow that and let participants know what you're enabling. With transcription running, you'll see the Copilot icon in the meeting toolbar. Click it to open Copilot. From there, you can ask it to summarize what's happened so far, highlight key decisions, list action items, or clarify points you might have missed. You can also ask specific questions like, what were the next steps assigned to the marketing team, or give me a quick catch-up since I joined late. Copilot will pull from the live transcript to give you concise, real-time insights without you having to scroll through the entire conversation. To recap, confirm you have the right license, add Copilot from the three dots by searching for it and pinning it. Then in meetings, start transcription first, and use the Copilot icon for summaries and Q&A in real time. With these steps, you'll be able to navigate your workday faster, capture decisions more accurately, and leave meetings with clear takeaways. Give it a try and see how much time you save.